Hello friends, in this series of videos, we are learning different aspects of form settings. As this form settings utility has bunch of features, we have divided this video into 4 parts. In previous video, we have seen how to modify fields in a form. If you have not seen the previous video, then we request you to watch that video before continuing here. This is the part 2 where we will learn how to create a new form template in DataNote. Let's see how can we do that. First, log into your admin account. Navigate to Settings, User Rights, Design Roles and click on Form Settings. Here, you can view the list of all entry forms. Please note that all these forms comes predefined in DataNote. However, you can rename any form as per your requirements. Also keep in mind that changing anything here will affect the entire system. Here, we'll be creating a new form template for a category with few changes on our proposal form. Click on Add New from the top right corner. Now, select the form name. Then, select the category. Please note that you can use the same template for multiple categories if required. Now, select the template name and click on Fetch button. Please note that it is mandatory to click on the Fetch button. Give a name to your template and then select the appropriate options. Now, if we go to main details section, you can see the field which we have recently created in our previous video. But if this template does not require it, then simply delete it along with other unwanted fields or uncheck the visibility of the specific field. Please note that if there is any entry on that specific field, the system will not allow you to delete the field. The same process applies to all sections of this form. You can add new fields for this template by following the same procedure as shown in our previous video. Finally, click on Submit to save the template. You can see our new form template has been created. Please note we have made separate video on how to apply form templates to a user. You can find the link to that video in the description box below.